A fun thing to do is called keyframes. So if you select the fixtures you want, and you go to keyframe, you create a keyframe. What this does is it allows you to create custom shapes and effects. So if we just see that little blue dot, that means that this is recorded. If we then go add frame, that first frame has 100% intensity. If we then go down and say 0% intensity, add frame, and then let's say we want 50% intensity, then add frame, then 0% again, and then add frame. If we go finish recording frames, then this will show up. What this is basically first cue, fades to the second cue, fades to the third cue, fades to the fourth cue, which then fades back to the first cue. You can set these to snap as well if you want. And what that will do is just create a custom shape and effect. You can set the spread up here. You can set the spread to 5 if you wanted. You can also speed it up. Or slow it down even more. Change the direction. You can set multiple to snap as well if you want. It will basically just create a custom shape and effect that you can then just hit record and then do a playback, which is then just recorded as a playback. You can do this with colours as well as positions. You can even do it with Gobo if you really wanted. So if I just select that, say shapes and effects, keyframe shape, create. Now you see that the intensity is up, but because it's not got that blue dot next to it, it's not actually saved. It's just showing you what it is like with the intensity up. So I say go from Gobo 4 as the first frame, to Gobo 3, to Gobo 2, to Gobo 1, and then jump back to the next one. Finish recording frames. If I then put the intensity up, you can see it goes cycles between Gobos. I can then record wherever I want, or if I'm not happy with it, just press clear, it'll go away. One of the other things you can do with the colour wheels on the intimidators, if you go to index, then you can rotate these up. So you can go half white, half red, half yellow, half red, half green, half yellow, basically just in between the full colour wheels. You can also set it to just scroll, and you can just go raw DMX, which is basically what you're sending out to the fixture itself. These are just the nicer ways of putting it.